Hi everyone, welcome to 2026. This is my first ticket for the year. $3 Lucky Cats, ticket number 43. So, if you uncover a cat, you win $25. It says you can win up to 5 times, and the odds are 3.53. That's pretty good. Pretty good odds. I'm going to do a little bit of scratching here and see what we get. Well, a lot of scratching. All right, first game. We have a rainbow, followed by a car and a diamond. So all the usual suspects, but not the same. The prize may have been $10. Second row, we have the sun. And nope, we do not have a sun. Pineapple. And another pineapple. $50 loss. Okay, game 3. Top hat. Top hat. We'll come back to the top hats. We'll come back to all the ones that are the same. So we have it. Bills. I was going to say treasure chest. Rainbow. Rainbow. Missed out on $20. Game number 5. We have a heart. A heart. Oh, this is looking good. We've got 2 matches so far. Okay. Game 6. The sun. Bills. And the ladybug. The ladybug took out $10. Game number 7. We have a spade. Rainbow. Plane. For 25 grand. Nope. Horseshoe. Horseshoe. Yay. So that's 1, 2, 3 matches. I'm going to come back to those at the end. We got a car, top hat, ring, 75 grand. Oh yeah, 75 grand is top prize. Top hat, horseshoe, spade, $500. Bank, bank. Hey, it looks like it's 4 of them now. 4 of the same. Cool. Okay. I'll get a 5th. I might get 5 prizes. Nope, no 5th one. So I got a pineapple, clover, more clover, a loss of 75,000. All right, so game number 3 was the first set of matching top hats. Looking for a 3rd top hat. We got a plane. What did we miss? We missed $6. No biggie. All right, game number 5. 2 hearts. Giving a heart. Giving a heart. Nope. A safe. Lost $3. All right, we got 2 more. We got the horseshoes. No, a club. We lost $6. Piggy bank it is. Piggy bank and a spade. Nope, no win there. Ah, look at that. Look at the bottom. There's a bonus area. All right. I imagine 3 amounts the same. Let's go for the last one. Nope, no win. Well, first ticket, first loss. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have yourselves a wonderful 2026.